Hello, this is Bridget Conlog, Health Sciences Librarian for Pharmacy and Nursing at Wilkes University. Welcome to the EndNote Web Basics tutorial. EndNote Web is a web-based bibliographic management tool. You can use it to collect references and citations from print and electronic resources, organize your references by research topic, share your references with colleagues, find duplicate references, and format your references into a bibliography in the citation style of your choosing. It has too many features to cover in this tutorial, which includes just the basics to help you get started using this resource effectively. To access EndNote Web, log into the Wilkes portal. From the main portal page, in the Launchpad, click on the link for the E.S. Farley Library. Scroll down and select the Databases and Indexes link. Select E, and then click on EndNote Web. If you don't already have an account with EndNote, click here to create one. You must go through the Wilkes portal to set up an account with EndNote Web. Use your Wilkes email for your username. Once you set up an account, you will be able to use this resource wherever you have an internet connection. You will not need to access EndNote Web through the Wilkes portal again. So I'll log in. And this is the main page for the resource. First, let's look at the quick search feature. For example, if I want to see what references I have by a certain author, I can enter the name here and click on Search. Here is a list of articles that were written by M. Concev. Note that the articles are in red because he is the primary author. You can also search for your references by keyword, article title, and journal title. This link here will take me to all of my references. You can see that I have a total of 85. Unfiled are the articles that I have not yet put into a group. And here below are my groups. EndNote allows you to organize your references into groups that you name. I can click on the links and go to my references for that group. The blue icons here indicate that I am sharing this group with other EndNote users. And here are two groups that others are sharing with me. Let's look at the Alzheimer's group. By checking the boxes next to each reference, you can add them to a different group. You can copy them and make a quick shortlist. You can delete them entirely from all of your references, or you can just remove them from the group. And over here is a variety of ways to sort the list. The Wilkes full text icon will take you either to the full text of the article or to the online interlibrary loan form. Now let's look at the Collect tab, and I'll select New Reference. And this drop-down menu here allows the form to be modified for all types of references. I'll select Book. Only the fields that are required for a book citation are displayed. As you enter information into the fields, the reference will be automatically saved, and you can either create a new group for it, or you can add it to an existing group. We'll look at import references. This feature allows you to add references from databases and index like PubMed and CINAHL directly into EndNote. Here in Import option, I have created my own list of databases that I use frequently. You can create your own list by clicking on Select Favorites. It's essential to choose the right option, otherwise the references will not import. So for example, I had selected the PubMed NLM filter to import citations from PubMed. So you could scroll through here, select the appropriate databases. So for example, say you wanted to do EBSCO books. Click on Copy to Favorites, and there it is. Then we'll just click on Hide. And then you want to choose the group that you're going to send it to. You can also choose a new group and it'll give you an opportunity to name it as you follow the steps. You choose a file from your computer and then you click on Import. For additional information on how to import citations from databases, please go to the Tutorials tab on the Pharmacy or Nursing Research Guides. Now let's look at the Organize tab. As I mentioned earlier, these little blue icons indicate that I'm sharing this group with other people. The number of references is here. Now say I wanted to share diabetes with some colleagues. I would click on Share, and then I click on Manage Sharing. Click here, and then I would enter the email addresses for the colleagues I want to share these references with. These do not need to be Wilks affiliated people. They don't have to have a Wilks email address to do this. You can give them the option of just reading only, which means they can just look at the citations that you've added, or you can give them read and write, which means that they can also add citations. Then you click on Apply, and then close the window and you're done. The last tab we're going to look at is Format. Here's Bibliography. First, select the group that you want to format. So say, let's go back to our Alzheimer's, and then you choose what style. So I've selected the two that I use most frequently. If you had others you would want to add, or first you have to actually build your list, go ahead and click on Open up this box. Let's see here. Just add one. Click on Copy to Favorites, and there it is. And then I would select that if that was the style that I wanted. Select your file format, and then either save to your computer, email it, or just preview and print. Be sure to double check that the citations are formatted correctly according to the style that you choose. Sometimes there can be errors in the citations that are obvious, like missing journal titles. This is a very helpful tool that will save you time, but it's not perfect. So do check it against the publication, the APA publication manual with the 6th edition if you're in nursing. And for pharmacy, you can check the Vancouver NIH style that is on the Pharmacy Research Guide. And then last, here is Cite While You Write. This is a very useful plugin that will allow you to write your paper and insert references and create a reference list simultaneously. You will need to download the plugin to your computer, and the icon for it will appear in the taskbar of Word. Please contact a librarian for more information about this feature. This concludes the EndNote Web tutorial.